guys, we're on our way to the outlets. We're gonna go shopping. It's Tuesday, and
turn right onto 3 Oaks Parkway.
Beautiful outside. There are no clouds in the sky. It's a good day.
Good day. Say hi to Sam. Say hi.
Say hi.
Hi.
He's coming with us to the outlets.
1.6 miles. Turn right onto Corkscrew Road.
We decided to get smoothie bowls, well, acai bowls for lunch. Woohoo! Hey guys, what is up? It's Thursday. I'm starting the vlog a little late in the day. It's about 1 o'clock. We didn't really do much this morning. We went and got bikes from his uncle's house because he lives in the same area. And now we're about to take the Jaguar to go get some burgers, and I want to go to Lululemon, and we need to run back to Target to return Will's water bottle that he got because it was missing a part or something like that. But just look at this place. It is so pretty. Minus that van. Oh wow, he already put the top down. This is the car we're taking. It's not ours. It's his uncle's, but obviously it's not ours. But we get to use it while we're here. Very thankful. Slow through the neighborhood. Oh my gosh, you are living right now. One day we'll master where we're going. Okay, so the funny story about these glasses. Will's uncle was at the pool and he's been there for like past couple of weeks, and he said that these have just been sitting there on the table.
In 1.6 miles, turn right onto Corkscrew Road.
So then he brought them back and was like, here you go, here's these glasses. And I looked them up online and they're like $60.
So they're yours now. And
they're mine now. And I needed another pair of sunglasses. I was legit looking in the airport for another pair, wasn't I? So yeah, here we go. I like them, they're fun.
It's okay to steal those now. They've been there for a week.
Yeah, they're fair game.
We didn't contact the authorities. It's the only thing.
They're sunglasses, I don't know. People lose sunglasses so often.
Yeah.
But yeah, we're going to Culver's, which is apparently a good burger joint here. And yeah. So they give you a number and you just kind of sit here, wait for your food. Thank you. Me too. Thank you. Let's get this bread. We have fries, which I usually don't like crinkle cut fries, but these are awesome. There's your fries. So what do we think?
It's as good as Five Guys.
Oh yeah.
Which is the best burgers I know.
They're really good. Definitely recommend. I'm gonna go eat this. And the fries are really good. Okay, so we're done with our Target run. It was a short trip.
Turn left onto Plaza Del Lago.
Now we're heading to Lululemon. And yeah, there's just a lot of There's just a lot of stores in this area. We went shopping here yesterday. We went to Barnes & Noble and Victoria's Secret. And yes, there's like, from what I see right now, DSW, Pier 1, Ulta, West Elm, there's a hair cuttery. So it's a very like hip place. And now we're heading to Lululemon. I think I already said that. I have my gift card still from when I returned my pair of leggings
Coconut Point.
that had a hole in them, and so I wanted to go to an actual store to get the new pair, so here we are. I think I'm gonna get not Aligns. I'm not allowed to get Aligns because I already have 7 pairs, right? Well,
Yes.
no Aligns because I have too many of them. But yeah, that's what we're doing. Over there is where we had dinner last night. Okay, so it has been a very successful day, right?
Yeah.
I got my new pair of Lulus. So excited, so excited. I haven't had like my workout leggings in a while, so excited about that. And so now we're going to go home and I'll probably work on a puzzle while he has his music session. And then we're gonna cook dinner for everyone. But yeah, that's about it for right now. And we'll check back in later. We're home and I thought I could give you a mini tour of where we're at. So basically, this is our view. It's the golf course. Let's see if you can see through here. It's a golf course. And over here, this is just kind of like the outside patio area. I actually might go sit out there and edit this video or the one before this, the pack with me video. And then behind me is just the mini like kitchen eating area, and this is the kitchen. And then you have the sink and the dishwasher over here, the pantry's in there, and then over here this is the dining room. And I absolutely love this table, but this is where I've been sitting and doing puzzles. This is just the mini puzzle I was working on, but we have a few of them. Oh, it looks like they put away the one that I finished already, but we got 2 more. We got this one, which is of Santorini, and then this one, which I thought was so cute. And this is the living room, and this is the main bedroom. I kind of like that bed. I don't know if I'd want it for my own room, but I really like it. And then over through here, oh, peep the horse on the wall. Will and I are staying in this room, which it's really messy, but it's just a couch. Gets the job done. And then the laundry room is over here. This is another guest bedroom. Bathroom and stuff. And yeah, that's pretty much where we're staying. My battery is like almost dead. Okay, it's 2:42. So I think for right now, I'm going to edit, and then around like 4:30, I'm going to start making dinner. Maybe more like 5. I'm gonna start making dinner, and then I think Will and I have an episode of Single Parents to catch up on, and yeah. Okay, my camera just died, but real quick, thank you for watching this video. Be sure to comment, subscribe, give it a thumbs up. I'll see you in my next vlog. Bye!